Hello and welcome back. Hope you guys are all doing good. If you're new here or if you haven't already, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And today we are taking a look at Birchbox Man for August 2018. With that all being said, let's get into it. So let's get my lifestyle picks out of the way first. I chose the Bombas socks. Got two very core pairs of them. And now let's get into this month's Birchbox Man. Have the card, of course, with everything in this month's box. Let's move this a little out of the way. So the first thing out of the box is the Duke Cannon Cooling Feared Towels. A thing of body and hair shampoo by the brand Davines. Next thing out of the box is a thing of Quoip toothpaste. A thing of Daily Concept Exfoliate Scrubber. And last but not least is a thing of Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. And there you have it, Birchbox Man for August 2018.